today we will be discussing the mechanism behind the rewarding properties of the opioids. So the pivotal role in this rewarding property of the opioids is played by the mesocorticolimbic system that projects into the nucleus accumbens. The basic thing which we have to remember in this mechanism is that any drug which enhances the release of dopamine in the nucleus accumbens has an addictive potential. So in this we have to understand the interplay of various kinds of neurotransmitters and the various kinds of neurons which are present in the mesocorticolimbic system. So in this diagram I have shown the various kinds of neurons with their neurotransmitters. There are GABAergic neurons, there are dopaminergic neurons, glutamatergic neuron from the prefrontal cortex. In the nucleus accumbens there is GABAergic neuron. So what happens when we give a opioid? When we give a opioid, it acts on the mu-opioid receptor. Now these mu-opioid receptors, these are GI coupled receptors. Now whenever these are GI coupled, that increases the potassium channel conductance or the N-type calcium channels are blocked. Thereby there is decrease in the release of GABA. And we all know that this GABA is inhibitory. So when there will be decrease in the release of GABA, there will be excitatory action. So here when a mu-opioid is given, it acts in the mu-opioid receptor and there will be decrease in the GABA from here, and there will be decrease in the GABA from here. So when there will be decrease in the GABA, there will be excitation of these neurons. So finally from these neurons there will be increase in the neurotransmitter dopamine, and this will cause reward.